Good morning, this Wednesday, the 3rd of November. I'm Sophia Mavridis, a market analyst with Bell Direct. Thank you for joining us this morning. Well, yesterday, the ASX 200 fell about 46 points in a volatile session. Real estate shares rebounded after Friday's fall, while materials dropped the most, partly due to a decline in the price of iron ore, which saw the major mining stocks finish lower. Insurance and financials also heavily weighed down on the market. Commercial property group, Goodman Group, GMG, advanced 5.6% after a positive trading update, and Whitehaven Coal, WHC, was the worst performer. Its shares fell alongside the price of Chinese thermal coal. In New York overnight, the three major benchmarks closed at a record for the third session in a row. Investors are awaiting a key Federal Reserve decision where it's expected the Fed will start unwinding its monthly bond buying program of $120 billion, which was implemented to support the economy in the pandemic. We're also expecting commentary on inflation and interest rate policy. Now, looking at the day ahead, following US equities, the SPY futures are suggesting the Aussie share market will rise 0.97% at the open. In economic news yesterday, the RBA held the cash rate at its record 0.1%. However, due to the economy's strong rebound and inflation picking up, interest rates could rise earlier than 2024. The RBA also discontinued one of its monetary policy measures, its yield curve control, that was in place during the pandemic to keep borrowing costs low. So they'll drop the 10-point target on the 3-year bond expiring 2024. And at 8 a.m. this morning, services PMI was released for October, increasing to 52 from 45.5 in September. This indicates a return to expansion after 3 months of contraction during lockdown restrictions. Now, a few companies will hold their AGMs today. These include Domino's, DMP, Worley, WOR, Cedar Woods Properties, CWP, and Tyro Payments, TYR. And the most traded stocks by Bell Direct clients yesterday included Westpac and CBA, as the financial sector fell and investors took their profits. Now, moving to commodities, iron ore declined overnight with BHP and Rio Tinto closing lower in both London and New York, so expect ASX-listed BHP and RIO to follow. The seaborne iron ore price is currently trading more than 3% lower at $99. Oil is also trading lower as the markets await OPEC's meeting next week. Spot gold is trading lower, below $1,790 amid a weaker dollar, and the coal price has tumbled 6%, extending losses as China aims to boost coal production. Now, to end on some trading ideas for your consideration, Bell Potter have recently upgraded software company Altium, ALU, from a hold to a buy, and they have increased their price target by 31% to $42.50, taking into account earnings changes as well as market movers and time creep. Bell Potter believe that Altium could still be a takeover target for software company Autodesk. ALU closed yesterday at $37.33, implying 13.8% share price growth in a year. End-to-end bullish charting signals have been identified in Evolve Education Group, EVO, Aristocrat Leisure, ALL, and Australian Strategic Materials, ASM, according to Trading Central. I'm Sophia Mavridis with Bell Direct. Have a great day and happy trading.